A social insurance number or SIN is a 9-digit number that is necessary in order to work in Canada or to have access to government programs and benefits. SIN for temporary workers or foreign students who aren't Canadian citizens or permanent residents begins with the number 9 and is only valid until the expiry date that is indicated on the immigration documents. Once the expiry date on your SIN has passed, you have to visit a Service Canada office in order to ask if the date can be extended. This is reliant on the fact that you are planning to stay in Canada and if you have the needed documents to prove your status in the country. This is referred to as implied status, which is the title given until a decision is rendered by the IRCC. This status means you may be allowed to work even though your SIN is expired. As soon as a decision has been made by the IRCC permitting you to continue working in Canada, you must update your SIN records with the new expiry date by taking your new immigration document to Service Canada. Or you can do that online or by mail. To renew an expired social insurance number, just go to this page on the Canadian government's website. On the application type, choose Change of the expiry date 900 series SIN. Then, just fill up the rest of the information. Afterwards, you will be asked to upload the following documents. Applying or renewing your SIN through mail or in person is also possible if you cannot obtain digitized copies of the necessary documents. If you are applying by mail, make sure to check this page to ensure you have all the required documents ready before you apply. Send your completed application form and original documents to this address. If you send your application by registered mail, it will also be returned in the same way. Service Canada centers are gradually reopening to help serve most Canadians within 100 kilometers of where they live, and to support clients who face barriers to accessing SIN online. Before you go, find out if your local Service Canada Centre is open through this page. To request an appointment, please use the online service request form. If everything is in order, you will get your social insurance number during your visit. If you apply for your SIN online or by mail and your application meets the requirements, you will receive a letter with your SIN by mail within 20 business days from the date the application is received. If more than 25 business days have passed and you would like to find out the status of your application, you may call the following numbers. That's it! We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by Remitby, the best way to send money abroad from Canada.